Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock and unlock your WhatsApp application on a mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to lock your WhatsApp, you need to set biometrics on your mobile phone. You can go to your setting and you can either set a pattern, face recognition or fingerprints. It depends on the feature on your mobile phone. Just go to your setting and then you can set the biometrics. Okay, I'm just going to go to my security and privacy where the biometrics in. So here I'm going to set lock screen on my mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to set, for example, pattern. I'm going to log my WhatsApp with pattern. So here I'm just going to select pattern. Okay, and I'm going to draw my pattern. Wait guys, I'm still drawing my pattern. Okay, and now the lock screen has been set. You can also set your fingerprint if you have fingerprints feature on your mobile phone. And here I'm going to set up my fingerprint as well. Okay. You can skip this tab, guys, if you don't want to set fingerprint on your mobile phone. Alright, and now the fingerprint has been added. And we can go to our WhatsApp to log the WhatsApp application. Open up your WhatsApp and then you're going to go to the setting. Click on these three dots on the top right and go to settings. In the settings, you need to select privacy. And then you're going to scroll down until you find app lock. And here we'll be able to lock our WhatsApp. Select unlock with biometric. Okay, then I'm going to scan with my fingerprint. Okay, and here you can set the duration when you want to lock your WhatsApp automatically. You can select immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. If you select immediately, it means that right after you close your WhatsApp, the WhatsApp application will be locked automatically. And for instance, I'm just going to select immediately. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to show the content in notification or not. I'm not gonna show it, so I'm not gonna activate this feature. Okay, and I'm going to close my WhatsApp. Alright guys, and that's all the way to lock WhatsApp on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.